Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm super excited. Today is August 1st and it kicks off our MEMY Mondays YouTube hop that is being hosted by Puchy and there's a great group of ladies in the hop, you guys, and I'll go ahead and just name them all, and I'll leave the links to their YouTube channels in the description box below so you can follow along. And this hop is going to run for the month of August. We'll be uploading videos every Monday for the month of August, so that will be 5 videos for each of the ladies in the hop. And we have got Tea Time and Dolls, and we've got With Love Bree, Dee Dee Butterfly 30, Trace of Sparkle, myself, Paper Sweets, Dollar DIYs, Paper Besos, and Raleigh Girl. Who did I forget? There is Debbie Love and Beadcraft Babe. This is on Instagram, so I'm not sure if I've got all of their channel names correct, but I will leave links down below so you can follow along. And I'll go ahead and get started. So we're going to be sharing Memorydex cards. It's maker's choice pretty much. We can use any dies, any theme, any paper collections. So this is the die set that I used. I love hops like this where there's no, rules really, and I love Memorydex cards, so I was really happy when Puchy asked me to join, and I figured I would get a chance to use some dies that I've had for a while that I haven't used. So I had to get this die when I saw it. It's like a birthday hat, party hat die, Memorydex, and I'm not sure where I got it. I'll try to look it up and leave the link in the description box below too. I did get it on AliExpress, I think, but I'm not sure of the seller. But you can make a shaker or just a regular party hat. It also kind of looks like a watermelon slice, so I guess you could use it for a lot of different things. And it comes with these other pieces to dress up the party hat and add a little like pom-pom or little topper to the hat. So this is the die that I used, and I went ahead and I used the Strawberry Cream paper collection that I got from Frank Garcia Studio. And here's my little Memorydex. I love it. I love this paper collection, and I have been creating with it a little, so I just thought I'm going to go with it. And I'll probably use this collection for all of the Memorydex cards that I make for this hop. So how cute is that? So I didn't do any backing paper yet. I probably will back it with some of the paper to match the collection, but I was running kind of late, you guys. I put this together today. I meant to get it done this morning and have the video uploaded, but it's already after 6, so yeah, lagging and a little late, so I'm sorry, ladies. So this is what I did. I cut out the base, and I did a little shaker, so you can see my little shaker bits, and these are the last of my clay strawberries, so I had to use those, and then just my own little mix to match the paper collection. And this time I used a little, like a light pink glitter paper for the top layer here, acetate, and I cut out 2 of these. These 2 come with the die set, and then added a cute little like tulle pom-pom that I had in my stash. And I layered up all 3 of the die cuts for the bottom here. This one in like a fuchsia color, then the little scalloped one is tucked under there, and then the other one. So I did use all 3 of these dies for that little ruffle bottom there. And then I just, the top one, I used some gold thread, and I sewed on some tulle, just kind of folded it on there to give it some texture, and just used gold thread there. And then I just did some layering with the ephemera and chipboard and a little puffy sticker. So I added one of the flowers here, this little ephemera piece that is like a stamp with a strawberry. This one here is a chipboard, and so is this one that says sweetness. And then the little butterfly is from the puffy stickers. So I love how this turned out. Love this paper collection, and I'll be doing a few more or all of them using the strawberry cream. So I hope you like the collection, and yes, be sure to please subscribe to all of the ladies that are in the hop and watch their videos for more inspiration. If you love Memorydex cards, I'm sure that this is going to be just really fun and inspirational. And again, I just want to thank Puchy for putting this hop together, and I hope you enjoy, guys. And oh yes, we'll also be having some giveaways. I believe most of the ladies in the hop are doing a giveaway, and I will be doing a giveaway as well. So yeah, so thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you join us for the rest of the Mondays for this month. Thanks a lot. Bye, guys.